Now last letter Ya. Its first stroke is like Dal, but it opposite way. Like in Dal we made a stroke like this, but in Ya this stroke would be like this. Then its shoulder quite long and steep, you can see it's quite steep and slanted. Then use your pen column here, pen tip here. Let's do some corrections if you got any ink. Oops. Okay, now we are going to put the measuring dots. Its first part. It's 1 nokta. It's this second part is also 1 nokta. This shoulder part is 1 nokta. All parts are 1 1 1 nokta. So it's total 5 noktas. If you divide it into 2 noktas resting comfortably here, you can say this from neck, its tail is extended 2 noktas. If you are going to put here on its one and a tiny dot and one. This is first shape. Now the another shape is body will exactly same will remain, and just its tail part like this. Instead of taking it upwards, we take it like this, a curve round with a thin stroke. Okay, this is the another shape of Ya. So what is the change? Before it was 2 cuts the tail was, but now it's extended or it's curved 2 more, 4. Now you can say is 4 noktas, while the rest of the whole body will remain same. There is no badi ya or choti ya in Arabic. In Arabic we only use that round ya which we have done recently, but we can use this shape which we have named as a badi ya in or ya rajya in Sulus calligraphy or in Urdu calligraphy. We can replace that round ya with this word. For example, if I'm going to write noon ya and I do not want to use that curve shape, then I can replace it with this shape. This shape has no individual existence, but it can be used in joint form. Now I'm putting the measuring dots. Its depth is same as the previous letters, 1.5 nokta. Its shoulder part is 4 noktas. And its base part is exactly like Jim, Ain, and Mim, which we have done, and it's 1 nokta.